avatar ko. We're gonna apply our... Harap ka doon! Yun. So, we're gonna apply our Nighted and Twilight Carrot, Blood Banana, Chocolate Maker, Monal, Seed Pack. Nabukas ko na yung isa. Claimer, Summer, Fun Carrot. Summer Fun Carrot, sorry. And Nectarian Seed, Chocolate Carrot Seed. So, ayan guys, nakuha ko yun. I like this update na. So, ala, may fox siya! Baka huwag pumunta sa akin. Ala, isi-steal! Huwag mo
Isi-steal niya yung tomato.
Isi-steal niya yung Rosy Daylight. Ay, yan yung, may Rosy Daylight ako eh. Yan yung oh my God. So guys, let's go to my
Let's see.
garden.
Meron lang binigay na pet.
Oh, say hi! Christine, say hi.
Hi guys.
Yeah.
Amara, I got a...
So, ilalagay na natin. Let's go!
Please, any difficult? I got a pear.
Okay. Okay guys. Yun na po.
Wait,
Yes. So, meron na akong egg dito.
someone gifted me a
I-hatch na
sugar apple. Look,
Wow, sana all. You can it na.
look.
Okay.
Where are you?
Let's hatch it guys. Okay, I'm not
Look,
gonna...
guys.
I don't know why they did that. Oh my gosh!
What?
I got a peacock!
I got a peacock before, but I don't like it, so I sell it.
I got a peacock! Nalagay na natin. So, bye guys. Thank you guys for watching. Bye guys! Peace.
Bye guys, peace.